Welcome to this fabulous Jumeirah Park 3-bedroom villa. We're going to do a little walking tour, so stick with me and have a look. Check out this lovely family home here. So we walk in the front door and this is your open hallway with doors straight out to the very spacious garden. And then here is the living room. This is the lounge. So in the lounge, you've got the main family seating area and then also here a dining area, okay? So as we just come round, you can see, here we go. So it's really, I'm just gonna change the camera so you can get an idea of this area, okay? And now we are going to, here we go. Here's the main hallway that we walk through and the front door. And then you can go outside as well. So if you just look out here, we'll walk around the garden in a minute, but this is the outside of the garden, okay? So now let's go. You've got a downstairs guest toilet there. And then in here is the family living area right on the kitchen. So for those of you that like to watch the children, obviously this particular family has their babies, but just really lovely, light, airy space looking straight on to the garden out there, okay? And there is room there obviously for a nice swimming pool. You can have your barbecue here outside. So everything is provisioned. And then here is your kitchen. So all is already fitted. And of course, some people have chosen to completely renovate these kitchens. So you want to just, modernize it a bit, make it sort of a lighter color. Then you have the facilities to do that. And then down here, you've got a really large storage space in there, which is always useful in these houses. This is the Maids Room, and then you've also got the garage here for 2 cars in there, okay? And there's also a door out to the gardens. So let's go back down and through and upstairs to the first floor. So upstairs, we have got 3 bedrooms. So there we have it, that's where we walked in. So we've got 3 bedrooms, there we go, that's out to the front door, looking straight over the park as well. Here we go, so upstairs, let's go to the 2 bedrooms. So this is bedroom 1, which is facing the front of the house towards the park there. And you've also got a balcony here, so it's a really lovely location. The kids can just go over there and hit a football, really nice. All the cupboards are built in. And everyone has an ensuite bathroom in here, okay? And then you've got the 2nd bedroom. Here we go, also with its ensuite bathroom and shower. And check out, this is your view. So you're not overlooked at all, which is really nice. And very difficult these days to find properties that are not overlooked by their neighbours. So if you're looking for privacy, this is the property for you. You've also got an upstairs balcony here. And there are lots of people that have actually asked for, the ability to knock this out and, extend the property a little bit with more built up area inside. This is the master bedroom here. And you've got a walk-in dresser, which is always great. Lots of space, and then finally you've got the ensuite bathroom with a shower, sink, bath and double sink, no less, okay? So let's just walk downstairs. I'm going to take you outside so you can just see the outside of the property. Here we go, we're just going to go outside the front door, go out into the garden. So here is the garden, here we go. So this is your space here. You've got lots of space here if you wanted to put in a swimming pool. And that is your villa. So if you are interested in more information about how to come and view this property and purchase, all the details are in the description below of the villa, of the video. My WhatsApp number is there. And also, if you are from overseas and you want to look at how you can purchase a property without a bank account here, then we can also help you. So get in touch with me and I will give you the full details. So from me to you, just want to come to the very front of the villa. There's the park. From me to you, here is your property. Get in touch. Thank you so much for watching. Do like this video if it was of interest to you. Thank you so much. Take care. And I am just about to enter our new home.